Okay, so Aaron was right. His little genius idea to sell things works wonderfully. I'll be honest. This job right here could have just been a water heater. Ended up being a lot of extra work off of it. So he's got the right idea. And y'all all know me. I'm the hardest person here with the hardest head, so give him a shot.
So let me ask you a couple questions. So when you first heard we were coming out today, just what was the first thing that popped in your head?
When I heard I was supposed to be in a meeting with you this morning,
Yeah.
I was figuring I was going to get fired as usual. Anytime I have to have a meeting with somebody, I figure I'm going to get fired.
Well, that's not the case. Okay, so then what is the one thing I shared with you today that you tried?
Your idea of how to do the full customization, itemizing, and all in one inclusive price off of the standard basis, and then coming back and showing them what the actual price will be with their man membership and what little things you chose to throw in for free to help build value into it.
Was it easy to do?
It worked. It worked well.
Awesome, man. Cool. High five, you did awesome. Thanks, man.